Hey guys, welcome back to another Metasploitable hacking series. In this video, we'll be discovering how to exploit Metasploitable machine over HTTP. So HTTP is a protocol used for transmitting data over the internet. So let's nmap the IP, the target IP address, in my case 10.0.0.120, port 80. I'll give it the aggressive mode. So this is the IP of the target machine. HTTP is running on port 80 and this is the aggressive mode. Before starting the attack, let's go and see if we can get some information from the main page. So let's grab the IP address and open up Firefox browser. Put in the IP address of Metasploitable machine and inspect the page. So this is basically developer tools. Let's go to the network, refresh. This is the main page. This is what you see here. Let's go and see header responses. See if we can get some juicy information. If we scroll down, we can see the version of Apache. We can see the server is running Apache. This is the version on Ubuntu. We can see PHP, the version 5.2.4. A good web administrator would not let this available for someone to look, because this is sensitive information. If this version or this one are outdated, an attacker can easily see that and
take advantage of that.
So that should not be exposed to the public. Never. This is a misconfiguration of the web server caused through Apache configuration file. You can block this type of information so it's not exposed to the public. DevTool is a good place to start when you're pen testing or running an audit on a website. You can just come in here and see the headers and see if it gives you some juicy information like these ones. There is another great place that I always like to check is php info.php. So this is another misconfiguration. This should not be available for the public. If the version is outdated, anyone can take advantage of that and exploit it. So now let's go back to our terminal and run MSF console. Let's try to get the information we've just seen. Let's search for HTTP version. So let's go ahead and use 0. Show options. We're gonna have to set the rhost as usual. Set rhost, provide the target IP address and hit run. So this is the result. This is what we've just seen in the dev tool. Yeah, so this is pretty much it. It runs PHP 5.2.4 Ubuntu and this is the version. So you can get it through this way or the other way. Let's assume that we don't know this particular version is vulnerable. What we're gonna do is search and see if this is vulnerable or not. So we're gonna search exploit Apache 2.2.8 and see if there is any vulnerability that is related to PHP. All right, it came back with a bunch of different vulnerabilities. So we're gonna go ahead and use this one, because if you remember, guys, we've seen that in the PHP main file. Here it is. So I'm gonna just go ahead and use the first one. So now let's see if this is available on Metasploit. Grep CGA search PHP 542, and yeah, here it is. So now let's use one, show options. Here we go. Let's set our host. Before running the attack, let's understand what's gonna happen. Lhost should be your IP address of Kali machine. Lport is the port that will be listening for connection back from the web server. So now we're all set. Let's go ahead and run the exploit. And yeah, we're in. This is info. There, this is the directories. So this is pretty much it for this video. We successfully exploited and hacked into Apache server running PHP. This process demonstrates key techniques that a pen tester would do, and using web development tools, we identified the version of the web server and the software running on it. This information is crucial for identifying potential vulnerabilities that might exist in older versions. If you like the video, support us with like, share, and subscribe for more. See you soon.